How about some delicious overnight oats that aren't just tasty, they are loaded with protein. We're talking 30 grams of protein, 10 grams of fiber, and loaded with antioxidants. They're delicious, super nutritious for you, and have great stickability. Here's how I make the best overnight oats. Welcome into Taylor Kitchen. Today we are making some protein-packed overnight oats. I know oats get a bad rap, and it really depends on if you're an eater of oats, which are a complex carbohydrate, or if it turns to sugar in your body and you prefer not to eat oats. Okay, but this is a way that you can consume oats and it still has a lot of protein in it, so that the oats will be a slower digesting complex carbohydrate in your system because of the protein and all the other good stuff that you've added. It's not just oats and milk and chocolate. There's a lot of healthy benefits in this one, and it has a lot of stickability, a lot of staying power. So if you don't want to do oats, I totally get it. There are other grain-free options that you can use for this. I will link those below, like buckwheat groats, things like that that are phenomenal and also loaded with protein. But we're going to go with regular rolled oats. Do not use instant oats. Talk about a sugar hit. Instant oats are awful, awful. So when you see oats like this, they have been steamed and then they've been rolled. So they're partially cooked and they're just called old-fashioned oats. You can also, not highly recommended, but you can use steel cut oats, but steel cut oats take a long time to cook, and so they're not as good when you're trying to do an overnight oat situation. It can be done. They'll be a lot chewier at the end, but also a complex carbohydrate that's slow to digest. So you decide if you want to do oats or not, but this is what I'm going to do to make the best protein-laden overnight oats that are going to be so yummy and so filling. And I'm going to do a couple of different kinds. And for both of these, I start with oats, and I don't use a whole lot of oats. I really want, I'm gonna say a heaping quarter cup in each of these jars, because I'm gonna add other things too, so it's not just oats. A heaping quarter cup. So there's my oats. And then I love to add some chia. Chia, lots of fiber, lots of protein, and that's about a tablespoon of chia in each of these. Chia seeds. Also protein-packed, fiber-laden. And then I have some flaxseed meal, and make sure it's the ground flaxseed meal, otherwise it's really hard to digest when it has the husk on it. So probably about a teaspoon in each of those, and that's really healthy for women, especially. Flax is just phenomenal. And then here's my secrets. We're going to, where's my scissors? This is Earl Grey tea. I'm gonna flavor one up with Earl Grey, and I'm gonna flavor one up with chai. So all I do is just cut open a tea bag, and I'm going to put probably about half of the Earl Grey in there, and then my chai, about the same. I love those chai spices. Actually, this is a smaller amount of tea, so I'll probably just put the whole thing in there. Cut off the tip and just add the tea. So now you have good chai spices in here and that beautiful Earl Grey bergamot kind of flavor in here. So what I like to do next is add the protein. Now this is a protein I use every single day, and this is a clean, lean protein, and I'm going to use an entire scoop, so right there is 10 grams protein. And to the chai, I'm going to use this organized protein. This is protein, collagen, and colostrum all in one. And I'm going to add about a tablespoon of that. And when you add the collagen to any liquid, like I'm going to pour some almond milk in here, it really kind of gelatinizes it and makes it nice and thick. And it's gonna be, aside from everything else that you have in here, it's gonna be absolutely delicious. So what I wanna do is just take the tip of a spoon and kind of stir everything together. Nice. I did want to add one more thing to the Earl Grey, just to give it a really beautiful color, acai powder. It's totally optional, but I thought it would be absolutely gorgeous. And I'll need to stir it again, but acai, loaded with antioxidants also. Gonna give it another stir. And the great thing about overnight oats is I'm making a couple here, so 2 mornings in a row, all I have to do is grab this and breakfast is done. Or, truth be told, I actually prefer to eat overnight oats as a dessert. So it'll be like my afternoon snack kind of thing. If I want a sweet bite, I'll go for overnight oats because it's a healthier option. I'm not gonna eat a candy bar. I do love my cashew butter stuffed chocolate drizzled dates. Those are phenomenal. Check those out on tkfoodie.com. I will link those below. But so here we have overnight oat makings all ready to go. Then all we need to do is get these all ready to sit in our fridge overnight or for several hours. Actually, if I'm doing these now, they'll be ready this afternoon and they'll be fine. I can have my snack later. And so this is almond milk. Use your milk of choice. And depending on how thick you like your overnight oats, that's how much liquid you want to put in. I like mine just a little bit on the runnier side. I don't like them super, super thick. And then this is sheep's milk yogurt. This also has a decent amount of protein, 10 grams of protein per serving. And this is not a whole serving in here, but it just adds to the protein content of these oats. And I dollop that right on. And I dollop that right on. And I might put more on when I'm actually eating these and serving them, but then I'm gonna top them both with wild blueberries. You know, blueberries are loaded with antioxidants and wild blueberries especially so. And a really good amount of fiber as well. And a nice natural sweetness. Now, if you wanted to add honey or something like this, you could. I've been trying to go without sugar for a long time, so I don't actually prefer things to be super sweet. So this is all I need to do with my oats. Let's see, I need to remember which is which. Here's the chai, cover it up, put it in my fridge. And here's the Earl Grey, cover it up, put it in my fridge. And we'll see you in a few hours. Can't wait. Hey there, if you haven't yet, take a moment to subscribe and turn on notifications to our YouTube channel. Click that bell icon below to make sure you get all the latest from us, and give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. Let us know what you want us to make on TaylorKitchen. We absolutely love to hear from you, and it really helps out our channel. We appreciate you so much. Also, check us out at tkfoodie.com. Hey there, are you a small, medium, or even a large YouTube channel that's trying to grow your channel? Well then check out vidIQ. I've been using vidIQ for a couple of years now, and they've really helped me with optimal thumbnails, titles, tags, lots of great analytics, even optimal launch times. They have a really cool AI thumbnail generator that I absolutely love to use for my thumbnails. But if you want to know more about vidIQ and what they can do for your channel, click that link below. Are our overnight oats, and this is actually just set for like a few hours because I wanted an afternoon snack, and I'm like, I know those oats and those chia seeds are all ready by now. So here we have, this is the chai version and this is the Earl Grey version. I could tell them apart because I did put labels on them, but here is a little bit of each of the teas that I have left from these 2 high protein overnight oats. We're gonna dollop it with just a little bit more of this yogurt. Just to make it look real generous. And it's gonna just really be so satisfying. And then I want a few of these wild blueberries on top. So good. That one's gonna overflow. And then I want a sprinkling of the Earl Grey tea leaves on top of this one, and a sprinkling of the chai on top of the other. Which one should I dig into first? They're both gorgeous. Let's dig into this chai because it is about to overflow. Whoa, yeah, overflow, indeed. Oh my gosh. Let's get down in there and get all the good stuff while I'm making a mess. Look at that beautiful purple color. Oh man, that's delicious. That is so perfect. The flavor is absolutely phenomenal. Even though I didn't put anything sweet in there, I get a nice amount of sweetness from those blueberries. You can certainly add sweetness if you want. I get the pop from the chia, and this delicious jar of gorgeous overnight oats is loaded with protein and fiber and lots of antioxidants and all the good stuff that your body needs. So check out these 2 easy tea overnight oat recipes. You can leave out the tea if you want. It's on tkfoodie.com.